Okay, so today I'm filming in a little bit different setting. Instead of being in the truck, I've got our makeshift studio here that my girlfriend usually uses. Um, Today I'm coming to you to talk about July's diesel crate. Now, if you see my last video, the first one they sent out was actually quite impressive. Never expected it to be as good as it was. So for that reason, I decided to keep going and get July's. So in true Independence Day fashion. Let's see. Knife running around here. Found one knife. Alright, so let's open it up and see what we got here. This one I actually have not opened yet, so we're going to see how it goes. So we got a letter in here. It says, Dear valued customer, we want to thank you for choosing our product to spend your hard-earned money on. We work hard to make sure you'll like everything we put in your crate, but we're working harder to make your crate even better. While we have your attention, we wanted to give you an update on what we're working on for you, as well as getting your feedback on what you'd like to see in the crate. Since you've been waiting on your next crate, we've been contacting companies to get the best products, along with some discounts from companies like Hot Shot Secrets and Hornblasters. Ooh, that'd be nice. Take a look below for this month's codes and the companies supporting us. Bear with us while we add a lot more to this list. We also want to know what companies or products you would like to see in your crate or have discounts to. Email us your suggestions and put suggestion in the subject line. Big plans are in the works for upcoming crates and some of the biggest names in the diesel industry. We want you to be there for it. Thanks again for the customer and for being our customer. We can't wait to grow our company with you. Justin Kugler, CEO of Diesel Crates. So there's a 10% off discount code to Hot Shots and to Hornblasters. The code is Diesel Crate. So I'll share that with you. So that was nice of them. Let them know, let us know how much they actually like us. So once again, I've got Hot Shot Secret Daily Formula. This is supposed to be good stuff. What is in here? We got this little box. I guess I should show you kind of how it came in here. Let's see here. Oh, little work light, I think is what it is. Definitely needs batteries. I think it's a little work light. We'll look at that in just a second. How neat it is. Got another shirt here. A Hornblasters shirt. Hope I get in the right place. Don't blow your temper, blow your horns. Back. Alright, so apparently, since I don't know any better and wasn't thinking about it, the back is the Hornblasters decal. The front's a little bit weird, and my wonderful girlfriend who looked at it and went, "You don't know what this is?" Yeah, I should have really paid more attention. So this is one of those, if I can take it. And in true Hornblasters fashion, you can kind of tell. We got some stickers, got a Hornblasters decal, another Diesel Crate decal, another Diesel Crate decal, and this one. Alright. I think this one was actually one I suggested on them. So I guess they do listen, because this is one I saw suggested, and I think I actually made a comment about I'd love to see some of these. So we got the Don't Tread on Me flags. It's kind of neat. And Diesel Power magazine. That's interesting. And the shop rag. So for, what was it? I think 35 bucks. Not a bad group of things here. Let me see if I can get some batteries here. We'll see how this works. always keep batteries close at hand. See how this thing works. I hope it's only 2 because that's all I have. Of course not, it's a 3. Alright, so I had to steal one from something else. Let's see, let's put it in here and see if it works. Oh! Alright. So we got a little flashlight, work light. Don't look right at it. Alright, so that pretty much covers all that. So like I said, for 35 bucks, it's hard to really complain about it. I think I'm still going to keep it this month. But this is what you can kind of expect in your July box if you order them. So please like the video and subscribe. Until next time, I'll bring you the next one.